Step-by-step guide for doing a TRX Sumo Squat. Target muscles: glutes, gluteus maximus and medius, quadriceps, hamstrings, inner thighs, adductors, core for balance and stability. How to do TRX Sumo Squat. 1. Setup. Adjust your TRX straps to mid-length. Stand facing the anchor point, holding both handles with arms extended in front of you. Feet wider than shoulder width apart. Toes pointed slightly outward, sumo stance. 2. Starting position. Stand tall, chest lifted, shoulders back. Keep a light grip on the straps. They're for balance, not to pull yourself up. 3. Squat down. Push your hips back and bend your knees. Lower into a deep squat, keeping knees tracking over your toes. Go down until your thighs are at least parallel to the floor, or deeper if mobility allows. Keep your chest up and core braced. 4. Drive up. Push through your heels to return to standing. Squeeze your glutes at the top. Maintain slight tension in the straps, but avoid pulling with your arms. Tips for best form. Keep knees pressed outward, not collapsing inward. Use the straps only for stability, not as a crutch. The wider stance emphasizes glutes and inner thighs more than a regular squat. Control the movement. Don't bounce at the bottom. Variations. Pulse sumo squats. Stay low and pulse small movements for extra burn. Sumo squat with heel lift. One heel at the bottom to activate calves and inner thighs. Weighted TRX Sumo Squat. Hold a dumbbell or kettlebell while still using the straps for balance. Jump sumo squat. Add an explosive jump on the way up for power and conditioning. Check my next video.